Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on a Saturday, August the 22nd, 2020. Yes, the fourth Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number, let me see, number 1393, and I will try to solve this within 30 minutes because all the 4 stars, really 4 stars Sudokus, I need more than 30 minutes, so I try to solve this within 30 minutes. That's my goal. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous Sudoku has 25 printed numbers, digits. I think this one has 24. Let me check. We have here 5 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is equal to 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 2 is equal to 24. Yes, correct. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We see there 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there, the only place for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then let me see which number can I use. How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. We have a pair, 8 and a 7 in the first row, 7 and an 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 and the 8 are these 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and an 8, 7 and an 8. That means we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, let me see, 5, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then wow. How about this big square? 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. There 707 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 8? We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. Then we have a 9 here in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes, so the 9 could be there or could be here. Yeah. 9. 4, yes. We have a 4 in one of these 2 boxes, in the 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1, 2, and 3 are missing. 1, 2, and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about 3, 1, 1. Yeah. 8, 4. These should be the 4. 4. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 here, 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means a 4 in one of these 2 boxes, in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, because we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4. Yeah. 7, 9. Yeah. 8, 7, 4. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, because this box we already have a 4, so no 4 there. 3, 3. I need to mark some boxes because it's taking too long now. 7, this column, 7 in the column next. So in the third column, these 2 boxes could be a 7 because we have a 7 here. These could be a 7. 4, 1. 1 could be in 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, these 2 boxes could be a 1. 8, 8, 8, 8. 6, 5, 4, 4. The 9 should be here. That means this should be a 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. These 3 numbers should be the 4, the 3. We see here 3. So no 3 there. The 3 should be in these 2 boxes. And the 8. We see here an 8. So no 8 there. The 8 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes are marked with the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 boxes left in this column, the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 9. Now we have a 9 here. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means 1 box left in the second row for the number 9. 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in the third column for the numbers 8 and 3, I believe. Do we have 8 and 3? No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 3. How about the 7? 7, I cannot fill this yet. The 7, same like here. The 1. How about these 3 numbers? The 4 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 3 we have here. Yeah, need to wait. 1. These 2 boxes should be a 1. We have 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There are 1, no 1 in that box. So these 2 boxes could be a 1. Then the 8 is missing. The 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means the 3 should be in these 2 boxes also. 3 in this row, 3 in one of these 2 boxes in the row below. So in that row, the last row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here or there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark them. 2 and 8. That means we have an 8 in this column, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be an 8. We have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. We have a pair here, 1 and the 2. That means these 3 numbers, this cannot be a 1 anymore, because we have a pair, 1 and a 2. So this should be definitely a 1, and I've eliminated the 4, so 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, yes. 4, 4, that means 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so 1 box left for the 1. No, yes, yeah, the 1. Only box left for the 1 should be here. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this should be a 1, and this should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last, in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. This should be an 8, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 7. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. 1 is missing. 1 box left in the column next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 3. This should be also 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This should be the number 3 in the middle row. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 3. 1 number left in the first column for the number 8. And the final number in this big square for the number 2. Finished in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I will see you soon with the 5th puzzle of today's newspaper. It will be a binary puzzle, so see you later. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Bye bye, see you soon.